Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. You know, for I see the face, I hear the voice, and I don't know a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. I don't know today. I don't know why I'm always smiling when I introduce a video of them. That I don't know. It just feel nice, just feel good, you know what I mean? But yeah, so today we have SR with Snap It. 206,000 views already, and it was uploaded yesterday, July 15th, and today is July 16th. Already on 206,000 views. This is blowing up, and I mean, we can't miss it out. We can't miss out. Last song we reacted to was the free R1 song that Blake got birded. Round there we don't do no talking. If you talk, I'll get slapped by the burner. Baby, show me. I know you're a well-known twerker. I know you're a well-known twerker. Shit that up. Practice makes perfect. That was the song that we reacted to last from SR. So, we want to see what Snap It I go on with. You don't know, check out the links in the description. I'm playing GTA San Andreas on my gaming channel. And I have a video coming out on the music channel as well. So, be a thing I go on right now, dog. You understand? You got to keep up with me, man. I got a lot going on. So, yeah, check the links in the description. You know, subscribe, like, you know, just show some love, you know what I'm saying? I'm putting out some good content, so show some love. And, yeah, I could start the video. Start the video. Oh, shit. Yeah, I could start it now.
DT5 on the beat.
Sensing.
One of them grimy drill beat there. With some sexy girl, though. Palm Angels. Oof. Ooh. Man, just get up and go bonus spliff same time. Yeah. Yeah.
Two in the dots or the steady. Man down. Snap it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that kung for break. And again, knife west been on fleek. How many youths been chinged up already?
Whoa. Hold that cone for brekkie. Hold on. Snap it. Flip. Man said snap it. Ah, man. Ready. Forward.
Two in the dots or the steady. Man down. Snap it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that.
Snap it, stuff it, slap it. So you snap it down, stuff it with the bells, and then you slap it. Alright, yeah man. I like this.
Two in the dots or the steady. Man down. Snap it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that kung for
brekkie. Bow.
Knife west been on fleek. How many youths been chinged up already? Gal get beat and dash. I got my white thing giving out necky.
Oh.
Neck.
Neck. Ah, yes.
Two in the dots
so steady.
Man down. Snap it,
Stuff it, slap it.
Big man,
hold this coon for brekkie.
Knife west been on fleek. How many youths been chinged up already? Gal get beat and dash. I got my white thing giving out necky. Neck. Two in the dots or the steady.
Snap
it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that kung for brekkie. Knife west been on fleek. How many youths been chinged up already? Gal get beat and dash. I got my white thing giving out necky.
Neck.
I got my white thing giving out necky. She wants a South London boy for brekkie. Lean out and crash man's head, even Ox to know I'm on already. We've been over there like Jessies with a flick knife. The gang get messy. My young G step with a big thing with a clip in. They aim for head, not leg.
Ooh, say with a big thing with a clipping, aim for head, not leggy. Ooh, yo. All right, bro. Hey, hold on, that girl is nice. Hold on.
Gal get beat and dash. I got my
ooh, my God, bro. Jeez, sweet one.
White thing giving out necky. Neck.
Ah,
white thing giving out
necky.
She wants a South London boy for
brekkie.
Lean out and crash man's head, even Ox to know I'm on
already.
We've been over there like Jessies with a flick knife. The gang get messy. My young G step with a big thing with a clip in. They aim for head, not leggy. Best jump out and attack them, man. They know that my niggas chefy. Back row man get queffy. I shot man's B, I'm armed and deadly. Two in the dots.
I shot man's bay, I'm armed and deadly. This is a joke. No, he must be joking. He must be joking, bro. What you mean you shot man's bae? What you mean by that? I know what you mean by that, you know, dog, but like, why? You couldn't just make sure, like, say, I'm out with my girlfriend, hey, I go shoot my girlfriend and not me? Why? Why you never shoot me, bro? Wow, alright, SR. Me hear you, bro. Me hear you.
Step with a big thing with a clip in, they aim for head,
Heady, not leggy.
And again, best jump out and attack them, man. They know that my niggas chefy. Back row, man, get queffy. I shot man's bay, I'm armed and deadly. Dangerous. 2 in the dots on the steady, your heart ain't in if you bum man's belly. Screwing shams in the back of the right by the hand to know it's Shelly.
I didn't hear what him say after him say your heart's not in it if you hit the belly.
Heart ain't in if you bum man's belly.
Your heart ain't in it if you bun man's belly. Bro. Like, of course, bro. Like, oh, jeez, peace, bro. Like, yes, your heart is in it if you bun man's belly, dog. Don't, you're not for always, I get, you know what I'm saying, or, you understand? Jeez, peace, bro. So he's saying that he doesn't want anything except headshots or chest shots or neck shots. Anything above the, not even above the torso. Yeah, anything chest and up. Him not even want to get in your belly, bro. No, man. Them youth are dangerous, bro. Now, sir, SR, you have to go calm down, bro. You have to go take it easy, you understand?
Queffy, I shot man's bay, I'm armed and deadly. Dangerous. 2 in the dots on the steady, your heart ain't in if you bum man's belly. Screwing shams in the back of the right by the hand to know it's Shelly. I could never put trust in a Jezzy, I slap on a Jimmy and dig out a belly. The beef is nothing like Tom and Jerry. Man tryna fry man and leave man eggy. OT spot man, smash over grab and collect them breadies. OT spot man.
What is it?
Man tryna fry man and leave man eggy. OT spot man, smash over grab and collect them breadies. OT spot man, smash over grab and collect them breadies. 2 in the dots on the steady. Snap it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that pum for a brekkie. Knife what's been on fleek. How many youths been chinged up already? Gal get beat and dash. I got my white thing giving out necky.
Neck.
2 in the dots on the
Steady.
Snap it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that pum for a brekkie.
No.
Knife what's been on fleek. How many youths been chinged up
Already.
Gal get beat and dash.
What you mean?
I got my white thing giving out necky.
Neck.
Gal get beat and dash who's neck. You said the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice, so I push back D in her neck. Run a man down in my ears like dig that, but I ain't tryna hold a 5-year stretch. Pushing your brother.
Ooh, yeah, cause Dig that had to do a 5-year stretch. Bro, Dig that, wasn't he in jail from like 13 to 18? Bro, the whole of your teenage years just gone, sir, dog? No, sir. I mean, big up Dig that still.
Neck. Run a man down in my ears like dig that, but I ain't tryna hold a 5-year stretch. Loom my car up, pushing your brother, I'll do it like Taz instead. Yeah. Shotgun same size as my little sis, let's close one eye and queff.
Shotgun same size as my little sis Lex. I don't know how old his little sister is, you know, bro. But I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying? She has to be walking at this point for the shotgun to be, oh boy.
I'll do it like Taz instead. Yeah. Shotgun same size as my little sis, let's close one eye and queff. I was in prison counting the days, think about the money when I was laying in my bed. SO Dan try and make me stress, base it, I had the TV under my desk. But first I stepped out of jail, last bad B snapped me, show me she's wet. It's
Hold on. Man say him hide the table under him desk.
I was in prison counting the days, think about the money when I was laying in my bed. SO Dan try and make me stress, base it, I had the TV under my desk. But first I
TV under my desk. Wow.
stepped out of jail, last bad B snapped me, show me she's wet. It's funny how they
Man stepped out the jail, bad B snapped me, show me what?
I had the TV under my desk. But first day I stepped out the jailhouse, bad B snapped me, showed me she's wet.
First day I stepped out the jailhouse, bad B snapped me, showed me she wet. The man come out of jail, brother, and the girl them wet already, brother. What me can do for get them something like me? I forgot jail too. No, sir. It look like that, brother. Go to jail, make a first day out song, make a first day out tape, and then you don't know, you gone clear like man clear, bro. You're famous now. Ah, boy, I'm not going to jail still. We not go to jail again. Oh, no.
Make me stress, base it, I had the TV under my desk. But first day I stepped out the jailhouse, bad B snapped me, show me she's wet. It's funny how they know me now, when I was riding time, they don't know me then.
No.
15 put a scar on a big man's face. Why
No. What you mean by that? What you mean
funny
by
how they
that?
know me now, when I was riding time, they don't know me.
How? What you mean? Of course, everybody are going to know you now because you're free. What you mean when you're right time, nobody never know you? Of course, bro. You're locked in a fucking cage, blood. You're locked in a cage inside a place full of other cages in a locked compound, bro. Like, I don't think people are supposed to know you when you're gone to jail. Man say, yo, they didn't know me when I was at the time, and now they know me now. And they're like, yes, bro, yes. So just don't go back to jail so we can continue to know you. That's all, bro. That's all we want.
Tell the jailhouse bad B, snap me, show me she's wet. It's funny how they know me now when I was riding time, didn't know me then.
No.
15 put a scar on a big man's face. Why can you try like bro in the ends? You must be meant. Cyru tug, jump out and bust them skanks. Splash man up like the River Thames, we're always trying to find these gems.
Splash man up like the River Thames, we're always trying to find these gems.
Jump out and bust them skanks. Splash man up like the River Thames, we're always trying to find these gems.
Find them.
Doing the dots or the steady. Man down. Snap it, stuff it,
slap
slap it. Big man, hold that kung
For
for
brekkie, bow.
Knife what's been on fleek.
How many you's been chinged up already?
Gal get beat and dash. I got my white thing giving
Giving
that
that necky. Knack.
Doing the dots or the
So
steady.
it's steady.
Snap it, stuff it, slap it. Big man, hold that kung
For
for
brekkie.
Knife what's been on fleek. How many youths been
Been chinged up already.
Gal get beat and dash. I got my white thing giving out necky.
Knack. Yeah, nah, this video look clean. Beat sick. SR with the bars. Yeah. Alright, motherfuckers. Wow. So, yeah, I didn't even know if I said well, yeah, that's SR with Snap It. Yeah, I'm fucking with it, really. Big time. Man said, when I was riding, it's funny how they know me now. When I was riding time, they didn't know me then. Like I don't think it's supposed to be any different, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you're there at jail, like, I don't think people supposed to necessarily know about you like that. Like, you understand, you're there at jail. But anyway, dog, that was SR with Snap It. Big up SR. And you don't know, big up Mixtape Madness. And big up you for watching this. If you made it to the end of this video, you know what I'm saying? Comment, like, you understand, share if you can. Check out the links in the description. As I said earlier, playing GTA San Andreas on the gaming channel. And I have a music video dropping on the music channel. So, you don't know, show some love, show some support. We're trying to go global. So, don't know, go agency. And I'm out this motherfucker. Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl.